Our next problem is, in the given figure, QX and RX are the bisectors of the angle Q and R respectively. So we have PQR as a triangle. So in that QX and RX are the angle bisectors for angle Q and angle R. If XS and XT are perpendicular to QR and PQ, prove that triangle XTQ is congruent to triangle XSQ, and also we need to prove PX bisects angle P. So PX bisects angle P here. It is not given in the picture, but we need to draw according to the given information. So here, first of all, we will take the first condition, which is triangle XTQ should be congruent to triangle XSQ. So consider those two triangles, triangle XTQ and triangle XSQ. So in congruency rules, if we equate some angles and sides, then our work will be done. So here XSQ is having 90 degrees as angle, and even XTQ also having 90 degrees as angle. So I am writing that one. Angle QSX is equal to angle QTX, which is 90 degrees. So we have 90 degrees over there, and we have a common side here, QX. QX is equal to QX, which is a common side. And any other information from that? Yes, we have XS, which is bisecting this Q into equal parts. That means if it is here, it is 3 theta as angle, here also will be theta. It is bisecting the angle, that means it is cutting equally. So here angle XQT is equal to angle XQS also, which is theta. So here angle side angle relation is followed by these two triangles. So then these two triangles are congruent. From this congruency, we can easily say that XT is equal to XS, which are the perpendiculars drawn from X. Okay, so this is proved. But next thing, where is PX bisects P? So the line in the picture, we didn't have any information about XP. So just draw that XP. So we need to prove this angle is equal to this angle. Let it be some small r and small r here. So we need to prove that these two are equal. So for that, I am considering a perpendicular from X to PR, like we drawn like the given thing, like XT and XS, which are perpendicular. Like that, I am drawing a perpendicular from X to PR, which cuts at M. Let it be M, which cuts at M. So there we have 90 degrees angle over there. Now we can't go directly towards P, so we need to get the other relations from other given triangles. Now I am considering XMR and XSR. Okay, so triangle XMR and triangle XSR. Okay, here XR is common to both triangles, so that is equal, and then angle at M and angle at S are equal, that is perpendicular. So angle XMR is equal to angle XSR, which is 90 degrees. Okay, so 90 degrees angle, and even it is specified that XR is a bisector of this angle R. So we can take angle XRM is equal to angle XRS. So these two are same. So from these three relations, we can say that this triangle is congruent to this. From this congruency, we can derive that XM is equal to XS. Why should we need these two? Because one corner information is given for this triangle, so and asking about other corners information. So we need to get the information throughout the triangle, like throughout the triangle whatever the equalities are there, we need to get that equalities, then we can go to that corner. So as of now we got a relation that xm is equal to xs, xt is equal to xs. That means all these perpendiculars drawn from x to onto the sides are equal. That's what we got. Now we need to prove this px should be bisecting this p. So for that I am considering these two triangles, PTX and PMX. So triangle PTX and triangle PMX. Okay, so PTX and PMX we need to prove. So for that, if you see the triangles, PX is the common line for those two triangles, and we have 90 degrees angle at T and M. So I am writing like XMP is equal to angle XTP, which is 90 degrees. Okay, we have that angle also. And any other thing? Yes, from the previous information, from these two equalities, like all perpendiculars are equal, so we have xt is equal to xm. So from these three we can say that the above triangles are congruent. From this congruency we can say that mpx and tpx are equal. So from this congruency I can write tpx is equal to angle tpx is equal to angle mpx. So that means this px is bisecting angle p. Bisecting means equally cutting that angle. That's what we need to prove.